winds blow with heavy snow, making everything slow. C is for cyclones. Strong winds spin with heavy rain, causing damage and much pain. D is for drought. No rain falls for many days. Dry land cracks in dusty ways. T is for earthquake. Ground shakes with a rumbling sound. Buildings fall to the ground. F is for flood. Water rises everywhere. Homes and roads disappear. G is for glacier burst. Ice breaks loose and water flows, rushing fast as it goes. H is for hurricane. Big storm comes from the sea, blowing strong and angrily. I is for ice storm. Freezing rain makes a road so slick. Walking there is very tricky. J is for jungle fire. Fire spreads across the trees, burning fast with hot breeze. K is for killer heat wave. Sun shines hot all day long. Too much heat feels very strong. L is for landslide. Rocks and mud slide down so fast, covering roads as they pass. M is for mud flow. Wet soil moves and slides away, taking things along its way. N is for nuclear disaster. Danger spreads you cannot see, harmful for all life to be. O is for oil spill. Oil spreads across the sea, hurting fish and ecology. P is for pandemic. Germs spread quickly everywhere. People stay home with care. Q is for quake. Sudden shaking of the ground, loud and scary, rumbling sound. R is for river flood. River water overflows into homes and streets it goes. S is for storm. Thunder, lightning, heavy rain, loud and wild, again and again. T is for tsunami. Giant waves rush to the shore, washing land forevermore. U is for urban fire. Fire spread across the town, burning buildings all around. V is for volcanic eruption. Hot lava bursts from deep inside, flowing down like